Hi viewers, Namaste. In this video, we will learn about how should an intraday trader arrange his setup. For this, we will use Fyersone, which is one of the Fyers trading platform. So, welcome to the world of Get Trading. Many people who have opened account in Fyers through our Get Trading channel are asking us to make a video on what are the important tools used in Fyersone. To explain all of the features, it will take a lot of time. So, we will cover this topic in 2 or 3 videos. Let's start. As you all know, intraday traders should closely monitor and follow the market. We should not miss out on opportunities. We should catch our opportunities in a disciplined manner. As a day trader, I suggest you to start your day trading activity somewhere around 8:30 itself. You should be sitting in front of your trading setup by this time. You might have missed a lot of yesterday's or early morning news, which you should cover now. As far as setup is concerned, it's your turn to have a good computer or a laptop with high-speed internet service. For rest things, if you have opened your account in Fyers through us, you will get all tools and basic stuff such as failureless service throughout, a fast order execution platform that supports hotkeys, etc., scanners for finding the right stocks to trade, and if you open account using Get Trading link, you will get free access to our Telegram group which gives decoded important information like news, trade views and many more. So, to open an account and enjoy our free support and services, please check the description box and click on the link. In the page open, enter your details and submit. Our Fyers team will contact you and will open your account. Okay. We all will be having different strategies, but which script should we analyze is the most important question of all. If we start analyzing all the scripts, half of our trading day will be wasted in analyzing itself, right? This is when stock screeners come in handy. Our suggestion for a basic scanner is to find scripts with good amount of volumes, to find scripts with good volatility. To have both of this, it is better to choose stocks which are in news recently. So that is why we suggest day traders to follow news regularly. Instead of following unreliable news sources, it is better to follow trusted sources like Money Control, LiveMint, etc. Right, you have to be updated on important news before 9 itself. All this news you can get either from Money Control website or from Fyersone itself. Fyersone provides bullet points. Okay. This is what Fyersone platform looks like. Those who have opened your account in Fyers can get all these benefits free of cost. When you log in with your Fyers account, this will be the screen you will see first. In this, you will see a floating panel in which we can see flash data. This is where you get to know about previous days FIS and DIS activities, like how much they have invested, how much they have pulled out, etc. If you need more in-depth information, you can just click on FII and DII tab. You can also see current status of global markets in one shot. Okay, here if we open board meetings, we will get all the important releases, etc. To get the information of companies you are interested, just click here and you can explore more of it. Okay guys, market is nowadays reacting to leading indicators, right? So, lot of speculations happen today itself on what can happen tomorrow. For that, you can click here and get all information on what could happen tomorrow, that is, events, etc. See here, when there is important news about Reliance or Justdel, it will flash here. Here, you can see the scripts where bulk and block deals are happening. Recent IPOs can be seen here, and this is the end of the day's report. This is my favorite. Depending on yesterday's closing data, we can run the scanners here. See here, there are a lot of scanners. So, we will see all of this from 8:30 to 9 itself. From 9 o'clock to 9:08 is the pre-market session. So, you have to finish all your fundamental analysis and all other works including breakfast before 9:08 and be ready by 9:10. Okay, after market opens, let us see each scanner one by one. All these are in the tools. Let us see Trend Scanner first. I want to screen all the stocks which opened with a gap up. So here I will select this option and leave this as 0.5. In this drop-down menu, whichever groups you want to scan like Nifty 50, Nifty 100, Nifty 200, enter that and apply. See here, HDFC Life is in this list, gapped up by 0.52%. Generally, the stocks which are in news react like this in pre-market session itself. And most of the time, these stocks continue their trend. But as we have to analyze the entry and exit points, we have to open this in chart. We can open this in chart by dragging and dropping like this. See, this script has risen much, almost 4.8% rise. Okay, here we have seen 0.5% rise, but if we want to scan stocks which opened with 1% gap up, we just have to type 1 here. Okay, analyzing charts in Fyersone is easy. Actually, Fyers Web is the best platform to analyze charts. For now, let us see chart in Fyersone. Let us use some indicator. All the indicators are available here. Let us open EMA. Okay, let us open 14 periods EMA and let us also add 28 period EMA. And change its color. Now, let us open MACD indicator and also RSI. Let us add true range and finally we will also add volume. Like this, you can add as many indicators as you like. You can also save these indicators combination. You just have to right click and click on Save Template and give a name of this combination of indicators as you like. If you want these indicators every time you open a new chart, just right click and click on Set as Default Template. You can also pop this out and view this chart in full screen. Like this, we can not only see gap up charts but also can see gap down charts. In Trend Scanner, we just have to select bearish. Today there are no gap down stocks, but if in case there are gap down stocks, it will be visible here. Next, we can add screeners like price crossing above previous day high or price crossing some percentage above previous day high or crossing above some percentage of moving averages, etc, etc. Like I said earlier, those who have idea about this will know the importance of all these live scanners. In future, we will make videos on different strategies too, using these indicators. Anyways, here, for example, Adani Ports is almost 3.5% above of 14 period DMA. To analyze this stock, just drag and drop on the charts and add your indicators, tools, etc. and analyze. For bearish stocks too, in this selection, we must select closing below, etc. See here, scripts which closed below day's low are scanned here. It is better to look for sell signals in bearish stocks. Okay, these are all live data and that too free of cost. Many of the people don't know this and buy paid scanners, screeners, etc. I ask you, why do you waste money when you can get all this free of cost in Fyers trading platform? Okay, there is another useful screener as well, which is pivot points. As we are talking about a bearish stock, let us screen the stocks which have crossed pivot points S1, S2, S3 from below. Daily and weekly points as well. See, these are the stocks which breaches pivot points, etc. For bullish stocks, pivot points R1, R2, R3, etc. just select the bullish tab at the same place. Okay, I will introduce you one more excellent scanner. Half an hour after market opens or around 10 am, open this tool and in this select open versus high low. If the opening price is also the high of the day, that means the stock is unable to break the high. Most probably this can be a bearish stock. Now, when the stock open is also the day's low, it means it is unable to break the low and can be a bullish stock. Anyways, let us make an in-depth video on this scanner too, some other day. Okay, same as before, you have to open individual charts and do your own analysis. Whether to take buy signal or sell signal from the indicator will depend on from which scanner did you get the script. It is always best to go with the trend. Okay, it is not necessary that all scripts will get a signal, nor it is necessary that all signals will work out. So, discipline is important. Only trade if your strategy works and always place a stop loss, which is a decent one. Okay, There is another way of waiting for your signals. Go into the workspace and click on multi-charts to the number of 4. See, 4 charts like this will be opened. Drag and drop all the tools you need into these 4 charts, and then you can monitor all the 4 charts at once. The next tool is unusual volume. These are the stocks exhibiting unusual volumes. This means the stocks which are having volume much higher than their average volume. What does it mean? Many traders are interested in these stocks, isn't it? So, there is a possibility that along with the volumes, volatility might also be huge. With this volume, if price increases, it is a bullish trend. And if price falls, it is a bearish trend. As said before, it is best to see for signals which are for the trend. Unless you're damn confident, don't go against the trend. As seen before, there are many scanners, screeners, etc. like one-stop shopping. This platform provides all the screening, analyzing and trading provisions and many more. The remaining ones we will discuss in the next video. Just imagine using Fyersone, which has so many scanners, etc. and Fyers which has ultimate chatting tools. Just imagine these two together. There are many advantages like less account opening charges, less brokerage charges, zero investment zone, 30-day challenge, etc. So, if at any time you want to open your account, just click on the link in the description box below and submit your details. Our Fyers executive will contact you and open your account. If you open account by clicking on our link, you'll get access to our group and also some other benefits like free webinars, etc. So, why late? Submit your details immediately and be ready to trade like a pro. Have a happy, safe and profitable trading. Jai Hind.